Okay, Assalamualaikum and good morning. Okay, LU3 integration. Question 5. 1A pun lepas ni. Okay, question 5 integrates the function with respect to the x to x power 4 minus x squared plus 2 over 2x minus 1. Okay, first method improper fraction using the long division. Okay, check dulu. Okay. Okay. Tak boleh. Okay, kejap eh. Okay, tak apa. Ada masalah pen. Okay, first find the qx. So qx here equals to the x cubed plus 1 over x squared minus 1 over 4x minus 1 over x. And rx here equals to the 15 over x. Yeah. Okay. And here qx plus rx over dx. 15 over x over 2x minus 1. And then here you integrate. Yeah. X power 4 plus x cubed minus x squared minus 1 over x plus 15s. And here equals to the 1 over 2 ln 2x minus 1 plus c. And last here, final answer. Yeah. Question number 5, saya nak tekankan yang punya method saja. Okay. So method here using long division. And then second you integrate. Okay. Pastikan you buat long division yang betul. Okay, settle. Question 5, rational function. And question 6. Okay, question 6. Cos 4 4x. Yeah. Cos 4 for x, first here you write down the cos 4 for x here equals to the cos square for x power of 2, yeah? And method here using the double angles, okay? So here cos square for x here equals to the 1 over 2, 1 plus cos at x. Yang ini ya, saya tunjukkan. This one, you punya first number 1, okay? And here equals to the 1 over 2 times 1 plus cos at x, and here is a power of 2, yeah? And the constant here, 1 over 2 times 1 over 2 equals to the 1 over 4. So you move out the constant, 1 over 4, and here 1 plus cos at x times 1 plus cos at x, and here you expand, yeah? 1 plus 2 cos at x plus cos square at x. This one saya ambil number 2, okay? So this one you punya double angles. Number 2, cos square at x here equals to the 1 over 2, 1 plus cos 16x dx. Tulisan saya tak elok sebab ada masalah pen kat sini. Okay, testing. Okay, ada masalah internet di office. Okay, kita sambung. Okay, so here 1 plus 2 cos at x plus cos square at x. So here the second double angles, and you integrate, yeah? 1 over 4 constant, 1 plus 2 cos at x, and plus 1 over 2, 1 plus cos secant x, okay? This one kita punya first double angles, and here the second double angle. Ini kita buat 2 kali ya, okay? First first cos square for x, and the second here cos square at x. Okay, and here you expand 1 plus 2 cos at x plus 1 over 2. Ini saya tunjukkan lah. It's 1 plus 1 over 2, and here 1 over 2 times cos secant s, and here equals to the cos secant x over 2, and the answer here equals to the 1 over 28. 48x plus 8 sin x plus sin secant x plus c, ya. Question C, yang penting kat sini, you punya method. Saya tunjukkan balik. Okay, question 6, method using double angles when the n here equals to the 4, yeah? Okay, settle question 6 and question 7, techniques of integration. Okay, question 7a, 5e, 5 to the x, 9e to the x power. First here, you let u here equals to the e 5 to the x. This one you punya step 1. Okay, and find the du over dx equals to the 5 to the x 5x, and dx here equals to the du over 5e 5 to the x power, yeah? And step 3, write down the integrants here in terms of u. So 5e 5 to the x times 9u. du over 5e 5 to the x power. So you write down the integrand here in terms of u equals to the 9u du. This one you all cancel. 5 to the e, 5 to the e here equals to the 1. Yeah. And integrates with respect to the u, 9u over ln 9 plus c. Okay. And last here, you replace u with gx in the final answer. 9e 5x over ln n plus c. Okay. Ini saya tunjukkan step by step lah. Step 1 here, you let u here equals to the 5e 5 to the x power. And here, step 2, du over dx. And then the step 3 here, integrants in terms of u. Step 4, you integrate with respect to the u. And last here, you replace u here with a gx. Okay. Kita ada 5 step kat sini. Okay. Pastikan 5 step ni you all buat. Okay. Okay. Settle question A and question B. Okay. Question B, integrate x, set x minus 7. So first here u equals to the x minus 7 and you write down the x here in terms of u. X equals to the u plus 7. Kita punya step 1. Okay. And du over dx here equals to 1. And du here equals to the dx. Here is step 2. Okay. And write down the integrands here in terms of u. X set x minus 7 in terms of u equals to the u plus 7 times set u du. Saya tunjukkan step by step. Okay. And then integrate with respect to the u. U raised to the power of the 3 over 2 plus 7u 1 over 2 du. And last year you replace u equals to the x minus 7. Yeah, so final answer 2x minus 7 raised to the power of 5 over 2 and plus 14 x minus 7 raised to the power of the 3 over 2 plus c. And denominator here equals to the 5 and 3. Yeah. Question A and B method dia sama saja. Okay, settle question 7A and question 7B and question 8. Okay, question 8, exponential function e to the e raised to the power of a negative ln over x. First here you let u here equals to the ln x. Okay, so I mean this one number 1. And second, find the du over dx equals to the 1 over x. You differentiate ln x here equals to the 1 over x and du here equals to the 1 over x dx. Submit this one, you punya step 2. Yeah. And write down the integrands in terms of u. E and power here negative u du. And here equals to the negative 1 plus c. Okay. Okay. And integrate with respect to the u. E and ln x here equals to the negative 1. You all check. Okay. So here base E or 2.718 and here ln x. Okay. Sama dengan konsep dia sama saja. Log x base 10, log 10 base 10 here equals to the 1. Or here equals to the ln x base E equals to 1. Yeah. And here equals to the negative x and raised to the power of negative 1 plus c. And answer here negative 1 over x plus c. Okay. Okay, settle question A. U here equals to the ln x. Okay. Kalau you buat u here equals to the yang lain, saya akan dapat jawapan yang lain. Ya. Yeah? Okay, question B. Question B, e raised to the power of 2x over e to the x over e raised to the power of a negative x. Okay, first, we check dulu. Okay, so denominator here equals to the e 3x minus 1 over e to the x power. So denominator of this function equals to the e to the x power. So here base e 2x plus x here equals to the 3x and minus 1 and denominator here equals to the e to the x power. Okay, this one you all check balik dia punya denominator, yeah. Okay, and you let u here equals to the e3 to the x minus 1 and du here equals to the 3e 3x and du here equals to the dx. Okay, this one you punya step 1, u and du over the x here step 2. Okay, check you punya first step. Okay, step 1 and step 2. Okay, and then write down the integrants in terms of u, e3 to the x over u times du over 3e 3 to the x, yeah. And the constant here equals to the 1 over 3 yang ini ya. You punya constant. So constant here 1 over 3. So move up the constant 1 over 3 and here equals to the 1 over u, yeah. This one you all cancel. E3 to the x over E3 to the x here equals to the 1. Yeah, this one you dapat 1. Okay, and the integrates 1 over 3 and here equals to the ln u plus c and replace u here equals to the E3 to the x minus 1 and answer here equals to the 1 over 3 ln E3 to the x minus 1 plus c. Okay, sama saja. This one step 1, step 2. And here you punya step 3. Okay. And integrate here step 4. Okay. And last you punya final answer. Okay, dia ada 5 step saja. Okay. Question 7 and question 9 dia punya method dia sama saja. Yeah. First you check the value of u. Step 2 du over dx. Step 3 integrand in terms of u. Step 4 you integrate and last year you replace the value of u. Dia ada 5 step. Step 1 to step 5. Okay. Okay, question 9. Okay, question 9 cek jawapan dulu. Okay, question 9. Okay, question 9 is 2 cos 5x sin 4x. Okay, first, sin nx equals to the cos mx. So m here odd numbers and using the substitution method. Okay, in this one you all check. You punya cos 5x, sin 4x. Ini check saja. Okay. And cos 5x here equals to the cos square x power of 2 times cos x sin 4x. And here cos square x here equals to the 1 minus sin square x. Saya ambil daripada sini. Okay, trigonometry identities. 1 minus sin square x power of 2 cos x sin 4x. And you let u here equals to the sin x. Kita ambil this one number 1. Okay. And du over dx here equals to the cos x and du equals to the cos x dx. So I mean this one number 2. Yeah. Okay. So 1 minus sin square x here equals to the 1 minus u square. And cos x dx equals to the du. And sin 4x here equals to the u power of 4. So this one you write down the integrands in terms of u. Here you punya step 3. Okay. And you expand 1 minus 2u square plus u power of 4 times u power of 4 and move out the constant. So constant here equals 2. Okay. This one you punya constant. Okay. And integrate with respect to u. U power 5 over 5 minus 2u7 plus u9 plus c. And last here, this one step 4. And last step 5, replace u here equals to the sin x. Method dia sama dengan question 7, question 8 tadi. Ya. Cuma kat sini kita pakai substitution method saja. Yang lain tu sama saja sebenarnya. Ini je beza dia. Ya. Okay. And you let u here equal to the sin x. Okay, settle question 9 and question 10. Okay, question 10, cek jawapan. Okay, question A, show that sin z x dx equals to the 2m sin m dm. And m here equals to the z x. Okay, first m here equals to the z x and here squaring both sides. So m square equals to the x and find the dx in terms of m. Dx over dm here equals 2m. Yeah, so dx equals to the 2m dm. And sin z x equals to the sin m times 2m dm and move out the constant. You punya constant here equals 2. So 2m sin m dm. Okay, mudah saja. Okay, question A. And question B, sin z x dx equals to the 2m sin m. And method here using the integration by parts. Ini you check you punya method. Okay, so method integration by parts. So u here equals to the m and du over dm here equals to 1, du here equals to the dm. Yeah, and dv equals to the sin m dm and you integrate and v here equals to the negative cos m. And integration by parts, uv minus v du and the constant here equals 2. Selebihnya you buat macam biasa sahaja. Okay. And then answer here equals to the negative 2m cos m plus 2 sin m plus c. And last here you substitute m equals to the z x. And final answer you negative 2 z x cos z x plus 2 sin z x plus c. Yeah. So final answer here in terms of x. Kalau yang buat sampai ke sini sahaja, you tak sampai dia punya final answer. This one you punya final answer. Okay, in terms of X. Okay, settle question 10A and question 10B and question 1. Question 1 ni sebagai jawapan sahaja. Okay, check answer. Okay, question 1, CLO1. Question 1A, 1B. This one kita ada 2 markah. Okay, check answer. This one 1 marks. Okay, check answer. Question 1A, question 1B. Okay, question here 1 marks, 1 marks. Okay. Okay, settle question 1 and question 2. Question 2 ni pun sama. Ini soalan mudah. Mudah-mudah ni saya tak discuss. Cuba check saja. Okay, question 2, y here equals to the ln 10x over 5x square and find the first derivative, dy over dx. Okay, ini daripada LU1. Okay, so u here equals to the ln x and find the u prime, and v here equals to the 5x square. Okay, and differentiate equals to the 10x, and using the question rules, find the first derivative. Okay, check answer. So dy over dx equals to the 1 minus 2 ln 10x over 5x cubed. Okay, question A. Okay, question B, 2 1 minus 2 ln 10x over 3x cubed. Ini pun sama. So first here, multiply both side with the 10 over 3. Okay, and then you all check jawapan. Okay, check jawapan. Okay, question 3, method to solve the following question. Following integrals, sin 6x and cos 5x. Ini macam soalan tadi ya, you check dia punya value saja. This one, the even integers, sin 6x, and method here using the double angles formula. Okay, this one 1 marks. Ini step saja, tak perlu explain. Okay, and step 2, cos 5, cos 5x here odd numbers, and then method here using the substitution method. Okay, dapat jawapan 1 markah. Okay, ini markah dia tak banyak, sebab dia cuma state final answer saja, state dia punya method. Okay, settle question A, question B, and question 4. Okay, check answer. 2x plus 5 over third x. Denominator here equals to the third x. Okay, settle question 4. And then question 5. Okay, question 5 dah tadi. Okay, saya buka soalan. Okay, LU3A question 1 to question 10. Kalau ada soalan, you type dalam chat meeting. Tunggu. Okay, first question. Can you explain more about the question 8A? Okay, good. Question 8A tadi. Okay, saya tunjuk balik lah, tak apa. This one question 8A, the exponential function. Okay, ada bunyi tambahan kat belakang tu lah. Ada orang buat mesin rumput. Okay, saya tunjuk balik. Okay, question 8A, E negative ln x over x. Okay, so first here you let u here equals to the ln x. Okay, so you let u here equals to the ln x and find the first derivative du over dx here equals to the 1 over x. So du here equals to the 1 over x dx. This one, the first you write down, find the u and write down the du over dx, step 1 and step 2. And step 3, this one saya tunjukkan balik lah. This one, step 3, write down the integrants here in terms of u equals to the e raised to the power of the negative u. And here equals to the e negative u over negative 1 plus c. Yeah, so you integrate. And negative e and power negative ln x plus c. Ini saya tunjukkan balik. So this one, base here, base e, 2.718. Okay. And here the power here negative ln x. Konsep dia mudah saja. This one konsep dia sama dengan log 10. Log 10 base 10 equals to 1. Ataupun this one, you punya ln ln e base e. Sama saja. Ln e base e here equals to the 1. Okay, you punya base dia sama. Yeah. So this one equals to 1, negative e and ln x. Okay, so here equals to the negative 1 times x and power of negative 1 plus c. And last here answer equals to the negative 1 over x plus c. Question 8A ni yang penting you punya u ini sahaja. U ni jangan terbalik. Kalau you let u here equals to x, you tak akan dapat jawapan macam ini. Dia akan dapat lain. Ya. Yeah? Okay. Boleh. So u here, you punya polynomials, ln, exponential function, and trigonometrics. Dia ada short form dia. Dia punya P, L, E, and satu lagi T. Ya. Yeah. Ini you punya u. Polynomials, you punya logs, exponential, and trigonometric function. Dia ada 4 benda kat situ. Ya. Okay, boleh. Question 8. Okay, good. And question 2, question 5. Okay, dia tertinggal tadi. Okay. And question 7C, 7B, can I write down the answer in third form as the final answer? Saya cek balik. Question 7 dulu. Question 7B. Question 7B, answer in a third form. Kejap, mana satu? Questions, ni this one. Question 7B. So u here equals to the x minus 7, x here equals to the u plus 7. Okay, this one final answer. Final answer ni boleh, tak ada masalah. You nak tulis dalam bentuk power of the 5 over 2, 3 over 2 pun okay. Ataupun you letak dalam bentuk third form pun is okay lah, tak ada masalah. Final answer tu tak ada masalah. Okay. Yang penting you punya step by step ni, you buat step by step. Step 1 to step 5. Yeah. Okay, question 7B and question 5. Ini tertinggal tadi. Saya tunjuk balik. Okay, cek balik question 5. Ada yang tertinggal tadi. Okay, question 7B settle. Question 5, ada lagi soalan. Saya cek. Okay, good. Okay, ada lagi soalan yang lain? Question 7, question 8 and question 5. Okay, yang penting kat sini you all pakai method yang betul sahaja, ya. Sama ada dia using the substitution method, ataupun you pakai integration by parts, ataupun you pakai long division dan sebagainya. Yang penting dia punya follow dia punya method yang betul dan you buat step by step, ya. Dia ada step 1 to step 5 tadi. Okay. Okay, soalan yang lain kalau ada, saya tunggu kalau ada soalan. Jangan lupa you all punya minggu hadapan you all punya paper Mathematics pada hari Selasa, ya, pada waktu pagi, ya. Jadi minggu depan bangun awal, ya, untuk you punya semester Mathematics. Okey, kalau tak ada soalan, saya ingin itu saja untuk hari ini. Dan Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Okey. Ya.
Kita tengok
Okey.
kat mana nak dapat yang recorded ni.
Nanti saya letak dalam channel. Nanti check kat situ.
Okay, thank you sir.
Okey, bye.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you sir.
Have a great day.
Thank you, sir.